Hey everybody, I just wanted to come on here and give you an update on my COVID video that has gone absolutely crazy. As of right now, it's been viewed 52,000 times. I am just completely blown away by that. That just is amazing to me. I literally made that video because a friend of mine, well, my husband told me, he kept telling me he wanted me to make a video so that maybe it could help somebody. And then a friend messaged me and said, hey, I need to know how you did what you did to get your taste and smell back. And literally, I did that video. I tried to I tried to text it to her. It was too big. I tried to upload it to Facebook Messenger. It was too big. So I ended up loading it onto YouTube and sending her the link that way, and the rest is history. So it's just insane to me that this one video has caused so much stir, and I'm hoping that it's helping people, and it apparently it has. I've been seeing a lot of comments that people have been trying it. One person said that day one it helped them. They could tell a difference. Other people are like me, where it was the third day when they realized that they were able to smell and taste. But anyway, you guys have a lot of questions. Oh, before I get there, another thing is, because I'm a newbie on YouTube, you can see I don't have very many videos, very many views or anything on any of whatever I have out there. Somehow I set it to where I have to approve all of the comments that are made, and I didn't realize that. And even my family was like, you've had, I don't know, 10,000 views and nobody's commented on it. That just doesn't seem right, blah, 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 blah. And I still didn't think about checking to see the settings or anything. So I finally this week found where I was to approve the comments, and the video's been up for 3 months, and it says after 60 days that it deletes the older comments. So if your comment is not on the original video, I so apologize for that. I had no idea. And if you want to comment below here or even on the other one, that is perfectly fine. I would love to hear from you and love to know if this is helping you. I would, love to have any questions. I am not a doctor. I am not a dietitian. I am not anything. I'm just a regular human being trying anything I could to get back my taste and smell, because I was not going to live the rest of my life without my taste and smell. That was just the worst thing in the world. So without further ado, let me go to the questions. I've just got a few questions here. The number one question that everybody asked, my iPad shut down, give me just a second. See, I'm just a normal person that makes mistakes, so my iPad should have been on. Number one question was, how did I know to use these particular oils? I tell you, every night, me and my husband, we will either watch TV together, scroll through TikTok, watch YouTube videos together, whatever. This one particular night, we were scrolling through TikTok, and some random TikToker came up and said that they had done this. I wish I knew the guy's name. I don't. I would love to give him credit for it. I have no idea who you are. Whoever you are, thank you so much, because it has definitely helped me, and obviously with the comments that are coming in, it's helping other people also. So that's how I knew what to do and how to do it. Not really how to do it. He just said what he did. I demonstrated how to do it. Whatever. Tomato. Anyway, that's how I knew how to do it. Or how to use these oils. Do I still have my taste and smell? That's question number two. Absolutely. Yes, it is wonderful. I have not lost since I did the procedure, the technique, I guess you could call it. I have not had any issues with my taste or smell anymore. Praise the Lord. That was the worst thing in the world. When you know, I am a foodie. I love food. My whole family are foodies, and to not be able to taste it, to not be able to smell things was just the worst. And so, yes, I have my taste and smell back, and I've had it ever since I did it. In fact, somebody had asked, did I don't know how to word it. Did I, had I just done this? No, I had already done the 7 days of swabbing my nose probably a month, maybe 2 months before I posted the video. And so I had my taste and smell the whole time. It was just my friend had asked me to send her the procedure, and I decided to do a video because my husband had asked me to do the video and post it to YouTube. And I wasn't gonna post it to YouTube, honestly. I was just gonna send it to her, but it didn't work out that way. So I call that divine intervention. God made me put it into YouTube the way it was supposed to be. All right, does this work? Number 3, does this work for sinus issues? Yes, I have used it for my sinuses whenever I'm clogged up, and it definitely opens you up. And number 4, did I get my sense of taste and smell back instantly or gradually? I did not notice it instantly. I noticed it on the 3rd day. I noticed that I could start smelling some things, but it wasn't like boom, everything hit me in the face that I hadn't been able to smell for the last 6, 8, 10, 12 months. So yeah, I feel like it was a gradual thing. By that Saturday when I cut the grass, it had been 5 days since I started it. So on that day when I cut the grass and I could smell the fresh cut grass, that was the most powerful thing. On the 3rd day, I can't even remember what I smelled that day, but it just hit me like, oh, I haven't been able to smell that this whole time for a year, and now I'm smelling it. So I'm gonna say it was gradual. I don't really think that it was a boom, done. It may work different for everybody out there. It may not work for everybody out there. I don't know. It just worked for me. That's all I can say. And finally, I just want to thank y'all from the bottom of my heart. This has been, sorry, the craziest, I'm coughing and COVID. Anyway, this has been the craziest ride for the last 3 months. I just sit there and I'm just in awe of the views, how they just explode. So if you want to subscribe, I am going to, I have started a health and fitness journey. My daughter's getting married in 11 months and I need to lose some weight. And so I have started this health journey, and I'm going to be sharing stuff on that, natural stuff, essential oils, supplements, stuff like that. And again, I am not a doctor. I am not a dietitian. I am not anything official. I'm just me. And so I'm sharing from my heart what I feel. So if you would want to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment down below, I promise you I will respond. I will approve it if I have to approve it, or I think I've got it set up to where it just automatically posts the comments now. But if it doesn't, now I know exactly how to go in and look at the comments and approve them or whatever. So I do that at least twice a day. a lot of times more than that, but at least twice a day. That this has been the weekend whenever I finally figured out what I was doing wrong. And so it's taken me that long to, anyway, there was over 300 comments whenever I first started. So yeah, I did it a lot more than twice a day right now. But come tomorrow when it's Monday morning and I'm back at work, it may just be morning and night that I go through all the comments that need to be reviewed, if I have it set up like that still. So I know on the original video, for some reason, even though I changed it, it's still set up to where I have to approve any replies, any comments, anything. But you know what? I kind of like that, because then there's not just this bazillion comments on the post. I actually can read every single person's comments and replies. So I kind of like that. So if I don't have it fixed, then I might just leave it this way. If I do have it fixed, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm not going to stress about that. Comments are comments. I love to read them. I'm going to read them. I may read them 2 or 3 times if, you know, if I can't figure this out. So anyway, bear with me. I'm learning YouTube. I don't know what I'm doing, but this is just me. All right, so you guys have a great day. I am going to post another video for my health and fitness journey. So if you see the same shirt, it's just the same day. Talk to you soon.